As the application provider, we are not supplying the hardware itself. So we are focusing on process automation, not in mechanical automation. But we can make some integration to make it useful, more powerful. And for example, recently we have launched one rotor solution with automated solutions. It means, where for the CPU is a complete car, is required very careful migration or some touching and something. Yeah. So also it requires more accuracy positioning. Nobody knows after the exercise some movement,
Yes.
and then it means we need more accurate tracking. So we apply the very recent new technology on that terminals, and also we are providing to adopt the other solutions in supply chains like WMS or TMS and OMS. Where for the bulk terminals, the concept is my opinion. Concept is just without ceiling. It's a big warehouse. So I'm trying to adopt the solutions in that non-container terminals at this moment.
So usually in the container terminal, many new technologies are already adopted and proven. But as for the rotor terminals and general terminals, not yet. But Cyberlogitech already have some expertise and experience about it. Actually, at first, we would like to apply the same new technology used for the container terminal to the general container terminals, but it was not true. So with the fine-tuning of the accuracy and some inside innovation, we successfully adopt the automation in the general cargo terminals.
Yeah. Also, for for example, for the Blackberg, we have an intention to apply the new technology, not new, but with the drone, and we will apply some vectorizing to measure some materials.
Yes.
And also, we will supply the very strong enough integration tools like API or some enhancement for the billing and so on. I think it is very important to make it better integration of each data.
So nowadays, everybody said about the automation and new technology, but the real issue is how to integrate, right? So CLT has the expertise in integration. So we have the proven reference site, and we have expertise.
Yeah. Yeah, where nowadays there's so many keywords like AI,
Yes.
and also some IoT and big data analysis and autonomous vehicles and so on. So I think as we told, most important thing is how to make it efficient,
Yes.
how to make integration greatly. So, and then we are trying to refine and then to get the more creative or more the meaningful and useful
Yes.
information
Yes.
from each devices or peripherals.
Yes. So nowadays the issue is not the lack of the information. The issue is the flow of information. So how to define and how to refine the real information, the value-added information. So for that we have some roadmap for some IoT. It's kind of some platform for information management.
I think in terminal operation, currently all decision depends on human beings. Yeah, and then human beings means each operator, they are believing their past experiences and knowledge in terminal operations.
Yes.
But it's right. Final decision should be done by human beings. But to support their better decision, we can support with the other well integrated
Yes.
process. We can support their decision making.
Yes.